Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate using cacao powder. First, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of unsweetened cacao powder, 1/4 cup of a healthy fat such as coconut oil or cocoa butter, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of your favorite sweetener like maple syrup or honey. A small pinch of salt can also elevate the taste. Next, gently melt your chosen fat, like coconut oil, in a heat-proof bowl over a double boiler or very low heat. Once it's completely liquid, remove it from the heat. Now, slowly whisk in the cacao powder. Mix thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and uniform, ensuring no dry clumps remain. This creates your rich chocolate base. Now it's time to sweeten and flavor your chocolate. Stir in your maple syrup or honey until it's fully incorporated. Add that pinch of salt to really bring out the chocolate's depth. For extra flair, you can mix in a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract or even some chopped nuts or dried fruit for a delightful texture. Finally, pour your chocolate mixture into a silicone mold or onto parchment paper. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or until it's completely firm. Once set, break it into pieces and store your homemade chocolate in an airtight container in the fridge. Now you can enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.